Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So what's led to recent increases in the price of insurance premiums? Well, I want to go through 7 different factors in this video. Let's have a look. First one, inflation. Inflation is the general and sustained increase in prices across the economy, and of course, if things like the cost of car repairs, paint, parts are going up, of course this is going to increase the premium that customers have to pay. There might also have been previous lagging premiums within the industry. Post-COVID, I'm sure lots of insurance companies were reluctant to increase premiums, so therefore potentially these companies are trying to recoup previous losses after not increasing their premiums as much as they perhaps should have in previous years. They may also have made losses in previous years. We've had a lot of stormy weather, for example, recently, and therefore, if insurance companies have made losses on unlikely weather events, for example, then they might have to increase premiums in future years to make up for these losses. A fourth reason is insurance fraud. This is by individuals and organised crime groups. If insurance fraud is on the rise, insurance companies have to spend more on detecting this insurance fraud and invest in a new technology to spot it. This, of course, is a cost that has to be passed on to customers. A fifth reason is changes to regulation. In the UK, the removal of the loyalty penalty has caused several insurers to significantly increase their prices. The loyalty penalty was one whereby people who are loyal to their insurance company essentially had to pay more when their premium came up for renewal. This allowed the insurance companies to offer better rates to new customers. However, recent regulations have meant that insurance companies are no longer able to charge this loyalty penalty. So this has raised costs of insurance premiums, particularly for those customers who used to shop around and change their insurance provider each year. A sixth factor that's led to insurance premium increases is climate change. Now, this is particularly the case with properties on floodplains, for example. The increasing risk of flooding means that house insurance in this case is likely to increase significantly. And a seventh factor that's led to insurance premium increases is if providers are experiencing reduced profits elsewhere. So, for example, Aviva are no longer insuring some businesses that burn a large amount of fossil fuels. This means that potentially elsewhere in their business they are losing money, and therefore they may have to increase premiums for other remaining customers. This might push up the premiums for existing consumers. Thanks ever so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for future related videos.